Hello students, today we will be studying the design of the fabric filter. For this, we will be taking a problem statement and we will find a solution for it. Fabric filter is basically a pollution abatement device or the equipment used to remove the particulate matter, that is suspended particulate matter of different size from the airflow, which is coming from the processes. So this fabric filter is being used for the operation where there is a large quantity of air pollutant in the form of particulate matter of different size is emitted, and it needs to be trapped, it needs to be removed as a valuable product. So the objective of this removing this particulate matter from the airflow is to recover this valuable product or to avoid any kind of pollution effect by discharging this air pollutant into the atmosphere. So here is the problem statement. The fabric filter is to be constructed using the bags. It's a bag fabric filter which is the bag which is constructed with the bags of 0.1 meter in diameter and 5 meter in length. The bag house is to receive around 5 meter cube per second of air flow rate. The filtering velocity of the fabric filter or the bag house is 2 meter per minute. So determine the number of bags required for continuous removal of particulate matter. So data provided is the diameter of the bag is 0.1 meter, length of the bag 5 meter, flow rate of air is 5 meter cube per second, and filtering velocity is 2 meter per minute, and in SI unit it is 0.0333 meter per second. This is a schematic representation of the bag filter or the bag house, constituting a number of bags arranged in the series where the dust bearing the air is blowing inside the chamber, and the air will pass through the fabric, whereas the particulate matter or the dust is trapped over the surface of the fabric, and after that dislodging or the disengaging the particulate matter from the fabric, which makes the surface of the bag is available for again passing the air into the bags, and the clean gas will come out from this bag house through the chamber, and there is a kind of vibrating mechanism is provided to shaking these bags to dislodge or to disengage the particulate matter, and this particulate matter or this kind of dust or this recovery of the product in fine size, in micron size, get trapped and is collected at the bottom in the conical section at the bottom. The solution for this is equations provided for the solution is number of bags is the ratio of the total area of the filter divided by the area of the single bag. Area of the single bag is calculated by the surface area of the cylindrical shape, because the bag is made up of is constructed with the cylindrical shape. That's why equation is pi dl, where d is the diameter of the bag, where the l is the length of the bag. Then total area of the filter is determined by taking the ratio of the flow rate of air and the filtering velocity of the fabric filter. The equation which is used here, that is to calculate the total area of the filter, AT, that is will take the ratio of 5 meter cube per second of air flow rate and the filtering velocity of around 0.0333 meter per second. So the total area of the filter is around 150 meter square, and area of the single bag is determined is 1.57 meter square. Then number of bags can be calculated by taking the ratio of the total area of the filter and the area of the single bag, that is 150 divided by 1.57 gives us 95.54 value, and that is approximately 96, round off 96. So the number of bags required for a continuous removal of particulate matter is 96. So thus we can find out the number of bags by providing the dimension of the bags for given bag house, so that the appropriately for given air flow rate we are able to determine the number of bags required for continuous removal of the particulate matter or the dust from the using the bag house. Thank you. Thanks once again.